Exercise number 1, bicycle crunches. Lie on your back, hands behind your head, and bring your opposite elbow to your opposite knee while extending the other leg. Keep the movement controlled and your core tight, feel that twist in your abs. Exercise number 2, frog crunch. Lie on your back with the soles of your feet together and knees out. Lift your chest and legs toward each other, squeezing your abs at the top. Lower slowly, this one hits your lower and upper abs together. Exercise number 3, leg raises. Lie flat, hands under your hips, and lift your legs straight up. Lower them slowly without touching the floor. Keep your core tight and feel the deep burn in your lower abs, full control all the way. Exercise number 4, plank. Keep your body straight from head to heels, elbows under your shoulders, and abs engaged. Don't let your hips sag, stay strong and breathe steadily. Every second builds a rock-solid core. Exercise number 5, Russian twist. Finish strong with Russian twists. Sit back slightly, lift your feet off the ground, and twist side to side. Keep your core tight and eyes forward. Controlled movement, feel your obliques working hard every rep.